This is SON FL09QV. I've got it from AliExpress for about €85. It comes fully equipped with the driver board, FPC ribbon and HDMI cable. Unfortunately, this version doesn't come with the optics. It has display area roughly the same size as the ECX333 display. However, the outer casing is way bigger. It makes up for it with this super sleek driver board, which is way smaller than the ECX one. Both displays use micro HDMI connector for both power and video signal. The display runs at 1280 by 960 and works at 60 Hz. The image quality is very good. I can easily read all of the text on my Windows desktop. The driver board stays cool even after working for a while. You can touch it with your finger and not really feel any heat. Overall, I think this display is perfect for custom wearable devices. I would rate it 8 out of 10 because it has very small driver board, very nice image quality and it's super cheap. The only downside so far is the big display case. And keep in mind that you cannot remove this part as it has polarizer inside and the display won't work without it. Anyway, thanks for watching everyone and see you in the next one. And as always, huge thanks to my patrons.